warm up a bit. Before she was spitting back a bit. I've richened the carb, the intermediate jet. I mean, I've richened the low speed jet up. Because before, if you twisted the throttle, it should spit back. Yeah, she's fine now. And she starts really easy now. She starts really good. So there you have it, tubes. Right then. I love her. And it's my birthday today. Off. Yeah, she went well, didn't she, Flo? So yeah, there you have it, tubes. My birthday today. 69. Yeah, I've done the low speed, altered the low speed. It's fuel, as far as I can think on this, because it's on the engine side, so I imagine it's fuel. So I opened it up almost a quarter of a turn. Basically it's like opening it up, a bit more fuel. That spot's gone now, when it Flo, that kick spit back. Well, when she's warm, it's all right, but she starts instantly now, don't she, Flo? So, but I will fine tune it, tubes. Don't forget, I've only been doing this, that, and the other, and she's going in with the others today. So we're gonna put her in with the others. So we're just going to take her over now, pop her in with the others. Now everything's fine. And right then, trick to catches Luna.